Okay, good morning, everyone. Happy new week. Welcome to Monday trading day. And as you can see, the reason why I said we should leave buying from 2030 areas because I know that the market usually does something. This is a fairly short, so I think let me go to the lower time frame. Let me show you something 2-hour time frame. Whenever you see a market consolidating like this, are you getting it? Especially gold, don't trade that market because the market does manipulation, and this time I told you it's going to cause mass pain. Are you getting it? Taking everybody out before finding ways to go. Now the market is very clear today. Now how? Because the market just did the market is doing something which is very common, which we wait for normally at Vision X before we take trades. Remember that the market was okay. Let me go back to the fairly chart. Remember that the market was in a descending channel. Again, this is a descending channel, which is a bullish continuation pattern back to the upside to 2100, 2200. So we're waiting for a confirmation if the market will indeed continue to the upside or not. So what did it do? The market actually did something. The market actually did these move to the upside and came to 0.618. Are you getting from bearish movement? Then came and took liquidities. So after liquidity, the market tends to move to 0.5 Fibonacci retracement zones. I'll measure it for you so that you see. So when you are seeing trades like this, you should know that okay, this market has taken liquidity already. So definitely, if it's doing something like this, that is manipulation. Are you getting it? Accumulation, easy mass cause pain, then continue going. Then aside from that one, maybe I didn't say that particular place very well, but just hold on. What the market actually does is definitely returning back to, are you getting, after taking liquidity from the downside, returning back to 0.5 what's it called, 0.5 Fibonacci retracement zones, which you are right now 2032 to 2036 area. Are you getting? That was why we bought from 2015 last week. The reason why we bought for 2015 last week is that we know that okay, liquidity has been taken, so the market will definitely reverse. So I didn't want to buy. That was why I left the trade. I didn't want to buy. I wanted to buy from these sort of areas. Are you getting it? To take the market to the upside, and it has been trending perfectly well if you know and understand market structure itself. Are you getting it? If you understand market structure itself. So if you go to the 1 hour time frame, like this morning, the market just did something very, very large this morning. Are you getting it? Expanded to the upside. Are you getting it? Creating equal highs. Now let me just do that one. Let me just drive it for you. So the market was in, let me go to the 1 hour chart. What was the market doing? This was the last low we had. So as it stands right now, the market is turning bullish. Are you getting? This was the last low we had, and this was the last high we had right now. We're breaking the last minor low we had. I guess now breaking out of that descending channel. If you can see, we're breaking out. Our target is 2035. We will soon get there. Then we'll find a means to, as long as we're not breaking below 2024 anymore. Are you getting? This market will definitely come 0.5 and find a rejection like it has been doing from the backside. Are you getting it? Like it has been doing from the backside ever since. To definitely find a rejection today. Are you getting it? So you can sell, but I don't say. I just want the whole market to show me whatever I want to do. It's either it breaks to the upside or break to the downside before you buy again. So if you are in a trade from 2015, this 150 pips or 200 pips, you can take profit now. Then let's wait for what happens next. We usually wait for a plus setup before we take trades. So what am I waiting for right now? I know that market has broken, has switched back to the upside with this particular ascending triangle, which it did here in using the coming down descending triangle. Are you getting? So this is a minor ascending triangle on the 1 hour chart. I don't trust the 1 hourly time frames structure, so I usually wait for my 4 hourly structures to build. So what am I waiting for? What am I expecting? I'm expecting rejection from 2035. You can take a trade. You risk it 2042, 2043 stop loss. Take a trade for 2035. Are you getting it? Then take it down back to this sort of 2026 to 2024 area. That's about another 100 pips to the downside. I will not take that because I will just wait for my setup to be very active. I guess before I can my 4 hourly structure. So I'm waiting for a reversal back to the downside. Once that reversal is in and it's finding support again, that means we'll start taking our trades from here, put our stop loss below 2013. So that should be 2025 to 2015 or 2013. It depends. Are you getting it? Or 2013. That's over 200 pips stop loss. Are you getting it? Over 200 pips stop loss, so that we can swing it if it's going to really break to the or continue to the upside. 250 pips stop loss. Let me just do wow, this video is getting long, so I might just take an entry from this sort of areas, then swing it. Hold on, I'm coming. I might take an entry from 2024 2025 area. Are you getting it? Then take it to $2,090. I guess and put my stop loss below 2015. I getting 2013. So that's a 5 risk to reward ratio. So this is what I'm looking at. So you guys get your capital ready. Let's see if we can drive this, because this is an A+ setup. First setup is I'm go to the folly chart. The first confirmation, descending channel. Let me show you descending channel, which is a bullish continuation pattern to the upside. Then second confirmation right now is that we're having an ascending triangle that if it should break to the upside, retest normally, we can continue going. So this is our second entry, our first entry zone from the lower time frame. But it's good that you enter from the higher time frame, and as in what's it called 4-hourly time frame entry or 2035 area. Are you getting it? So watch out for this. So I'll be taking little entries from here and taking down major entries from here if we can have a breakout. It can just continue going and something like that. So depending on how you see your setup, so we'll have those confirmation, then the change your character will only happen in the 4-hourly time frame, continue going from here. Are you getting it? So is our EMA saying anything? Our EMA is turning bullish also. So there are a lot of confluences you use. Once you can get 3 to 5 setups and knowing that this liquidity, this trade is not breaking below 2020 anymore, you should know that this whole bottom we are fake outs. Are you getting this whole bottom we are what? Fake outs. So this is what I'm looking at today. Are you getting it? Fake out, and the market will just continue going up. And definitely if it continues like that, that means we're coming back to take $2,150 area out, which is under 1,200 pips to the upside. Are you getting it? So the setup is loading here, so be careful. This is my first video for 2024. I only wait for a proper setup. Are you getting it? Before taking my entries, and I'm sure that we are riding up. If we cannot break this, I will come down. Are you getting? If we cannot break this to the upside, I will come down. Are you getting? I'll come down, invalidate this, and break this to the downside, change character, retest. We're coming all the way to $1,970 area again. Are you getting it? So definitely we'll take this one out. So those are the bullish case scenario and the bearish case scenario. So you should have your timestamps, you should have every confluences, everything you need, the confidence and everything you need to take this market this February to the next. Are we going up or coming down? It's about to be decided right now in these areas. Are you getting this? This is an ascending what's it called? This is an ascending channel, which is a bullish continuation pattern, also breaking away from. But let's wait for that breakout confirmation of $20-35 breakout, retest that what's it called, previous resistance, turn into support. Are you getting it? Now what I'm waiting for is breakout, change character to the upside. Are you getting it? Retest this previous resistance, now turn support. Then we'll start taking our trades, putting our stop loss underneath it. Then we know we have over 20 risk to reward ratio coming very soon. Are you getting it? As a swing trader, this is what I wait for before taking trades. If you see me taking lower trades, just know that I'm playing with capital, because I just don't whiling away time. You're trying to while away time, because as a swing trader, it gets boring when you are waiting for your setups to load. So most of the time, if you have enough capital to something you can afford to lose, you can just go to lower time frame, maybe the 1 hour, and start taking those lower time frame trades. Like this morning, there was a lower time frame entry where is it? There was a lower time frame trade, 1 hour ascending triangle trade, which is about 20, that's 100 pips. Look at it, ascending triangle, the breakout happened, and you can see that it was just even a minor retest. It was just a minor to the upside retest. It's usually small when you go to the lower time frame, which I don't like because it can fail. Also usually small, but at least it's 100 pips. 20 pips is enough for the day. Are you getting it? Enough. So there are a lot of things I put into consideration why I like taking my hourly structures, because those are my confirmations. So right now we have a 0.5 retracement zones rejection coming from here. You can see we have 0.5, 0.618 rejection coming. So are we going to break to the upside to 0.618? So we are actually in the Q zone. Is either we will reject and continue to the downside, or break to the upside, retest and continue to the upside. So I think I will not upload this on Telegram anymore. I will just use it as my first rough video for 2024. Are you getting on YouTube page? So you can watch this on YouTube. You can watch this on YouTube. You can see all my what's it called? You can see all my resistance intact. My resistance at 2060 is there. Are you getting? For now, this market is still bearish because why? We did a head and shoulders pattern breakdown. The whole market started breaking down from here. Are you getting it? We came back, retested, and broke down, changed character to the house, and continued down the downward movement, which is the bearish structural continuation. So we can just come back here, reject, and continue going down. Does not mean that this must prevail. Are you getting? So no emotions, nothing. Just focus on the what you know, how the market trends based, and let the process work for you. So this is what I have for today. If there's any other questions, you know where to reach me. Then you can ask your questions. Then let's see how we can make money 2024. But this is a perfect, for me, this is a perfect structure that gold has staged. Are you getting it? That gold has staged. If you watch my previous video, I talked about this fair value gap that I have here. Are you getting it? Coming into it and finding demand, and even turning this particular place that was previous support into a fake out, which is happening right now. If it's not a fake out, we will break below it. Are you getting? If it's not a fake out, we'll reject from here and break below it, retest it, take an entry, then continue going, which will correspond with this resistance zone. So that is just the bearish case scenario. I've given you the bullish case scenario already, so you just have to wait for the right setup, 8+ setup. Are you getting? Wait for the right setup, and if you want to gamble, you can go to lower time frame and start gambling. But when the right setup comes, it gives you more confidence. Are you getting? You are seeing your break and retest, your candlestick patterns playing out, your chart patterns playing out. It gives you more confidence that even when you enter a very long trade or a very long swing trade, you know that these places cannot come back again according to the structure. So let's wait and see what the market entails. So what the market has for us this week entering February. Are you getting it? These are the whole resistance right now. But if this market breaks this to the upside, a 4-hourly structure, I'm going to take a long. Are you getting it? Then if it breaks down, I'll wait for 2020 also to do what? I'll wait for 2020 to break to the downside so that it can change character to the downside properly for me. Then we test these areas which is corresponding with this, then take a sell down to the downside. Are you getting it? So this is what I have for you today. Take care and bye for now. Bye.